YouTube has recently become an incredibly attractive platform for people to create a reliable income stream, often within a week. What makes it attractive is that they don't need to record video or appear in front of the camera, making it deal an option for those looking to earn money without compromising their privacy. So if you're looking for a way to make money from the comfort of your home, this creative and unique method is exactly what you need, and you can potentially earn up to $4,500. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification. Let's take a look at a channel called Far From Weak. This channel has been very popular in the last few years, especially because of its focus on providing self-improvement advice for men. This type of content in content years, especially among young men looking for challenge, personal and professional, to help with decisions and challenges in life, has gained especially popularity. Guide their choices and guide them in the right direction. It's not difficult to understand why this channel is so profitable. When we enter the social blade, it reports that some of the most popular ones have monthly incomes of up to $3,000 and up to $400,000 a year. Very successful channel with huge potential to generate income. Difficult CPM rate from 25 cents to $4 per 1,000 views, which is a great amount for weekly channels that can make six-figure annual salary without video production. And their presence in the clips can be done by uploading content that does not need to show their face. Now I'll show you how to have an affordable video production. Looking for a full production team or just a freelancer, I'll show you how to find the best option that fits your budget and quality requirement be. I will explain this process step by step so that you can have a better understanding of how to save time and money. So don't worry, I've got that covered. Get your notebook and pen ready and take your time to absorb everything and pause the video whenever you need to take notes. The popularity of this channel, with more than 3 million views by watching the new video of the thongs. Few of them have been viewed, with 2.5 million and 2.5 million respectively. A combination of clips and images from animations and movies. These pieces are small enough to avoid copyright infringement engagement, as they are mainly used to interpret and create an interesting story in a short 15-second clip that require. It has great creativity. Accuracy in video editing is an excellent example. Just take an existing clip and take it to another level with original scripting and re-editing to create something completely new and unique. Now click on this three button here near the share button. Then click on show script with access to the video script that you can read through it quickly and using it as starting point without starting from scratch. The specialized software enables us to quickly and efficiently create our script within 10 seconds, allowing us to quickly reach our goals. And Quillbot is the most useful tool for this copy and paste. Text from transcription to Quillbot is the easiest way to reuse content. This tool is user-friendly and has minimal setting and provides excellent result. Copy and paste the desired text to move forward, then click refresh. Now you can be sure that the problem of copyright free text has been rewritten. Of things considered, we are all set to use this script as the text step. We need someone to record our voice and video. We need to look for someone with a pleasant voice to make the video more enjoyable. Fiverr is the best website to find the right presenters. Is a famous online marketplace that allows freelancers and clients to find each other's, and the services it offers are varied, so you can easily do everything from voiceover to video editing on this to the platform. Soundtracks, check out music and sound, then click soundtrack. Now let's say we have $10 for each specific street video for our relationship to find the right sound on artist within our budget option between $5 and $10. We checked and then select the option most recent entries and client clicks on voice selection. You can also filter by gender and select emails if that's what you're looking for. Here it shows us guys who have no ideas and are eager to get projects to work now. Let's say this particular talent offers $5 audio for a video for 2,000 words, but it doesn't work because it's 8 and 10 minutes. It is better to look for other option, and then we are looking for it. Someone who has experience producing a 2,000 words narrative in 8 to 10 minutes. If your budget is limited to $10, here's a helpful tips. Contact 10 to 15 people here and ask for their social media profiles, present themselves, and find the right Fiverr sound directly. The artist is a great way to do is because you can negotiate it and offer them a profitable rate which allows you to have 8 and 10 minutes of narration. So don't hesitate to get a voice actor to product an audio file for you. You can make sure your script reads exactly the way you want it to. The process is hassle-free and the results are excellent. To get the most out of your video projects, hire a skilled video editor who can bring it all together. You don't have to worry about sourcing elements like stock footage and image. They will be available in the style of the video. If you want top-notch video editing, give your video a great look, the movie and animations category is a good place to look. Simply click on the video editing options and choose from the list of experience editor available after the same process. Likewise, you can have a great YouTube channel for very little money, and all you have to do is upload videos to your channel.